Hello, this video explains how to create and deploy an Ethereum smart contract or a Solana program using ChainLab's infrastructure. Whether you're working on an existing project or starting from scratch, this guide applies to both cases. Once you've created your project, go to the Contracts and Frontends section in the project details and create a new contract. Make sure to update your workspace, then head to the online editor page. Start by editing your contract file. Once you're done, save the file and proceed to the compiler section to compile it. The compilation time may vary depending on current system load and network traffic. After successful compilation, go to the Deploy section to deploy your contract to the blockchain. You can connect MetaMask or any other EVM-compatible wallet. Also, make sure to select the network where you want to deploy the contract. Click the Deploy button. Congratulations, your contract is now live on the blockchain. Now, let's repeat a similar process for deploying a Solana program. Go back to the dashboard and create a new project. Inside the project details, create a program this time. The program will be built using the Anchor framework. Update your workspace again, then return to the online editor. Start by editing the lib.rs file. Optionally, you may update the other cargo files as needed. Then go to the compiler section and compile your Solana program. Compilation time will once again depend on the system load. Once compiled, your Solana program will be ready to deploy using your Solana wallet. That's all for our contract deployment walkthrough. Thanks for watching.